Okay, the stream started. I think so, right? Yeah, it's on. Eh, Just checking something. Just checking something. If you don't speak into this freaking microphone, it just gets lost immediately. Their logo Become AI. I need to remove it. All right, let's go. Hi everyone. So this is my stream number 10, and we will be doing today, we will continue with generating the story using AI. So I have this scene in my head, this scene that is it's like emperor like approaching the opera, and the crowd is, and he's surrounded by crowd. I tested with ChatGPT. That's what ChatGPT made. ChatGPT images are kind of grainy. They're like grainy, and I gave it like I gave it this reference in this style. It looks like mosque, but the car is cool. The car is cool, not gonna lie. Look at it. Then I gave the same but different reference. That was the reference here. To Midjourney. And that's what Midjourney created. One second. Oh, my dogs. It's my dogs being annoying. So anyways, I got this. Yeah, I got this. I got Midjourney, and these are the images that Midjourney created based on. These are oddly similar, aren't they? So yeah, it's a lot of work. That's what I realized. And the Midjourney interface is odd. I mean, I'm sure like after some practice, one will learn how to use it. But it's not obvious. My God, it's not obvious. And then I generated without reference. And my prompt was generate bird view from above of emperor procession drives to opera distant future people on both sides of the road while his vehicle approaches the futuristic with ancient motifs of empire magnificent looking opera house. I attached photo with theme. I like bit brighter, not as dark. This is what it generated without reference image. I mean, this is not futuristic, is it? It requires way much tuning. Yeah. So yeah, this one where I gave it a reference, image reference. So it's basically one thing that I learned. You either are good with your words about explaining and you just kind of gamble because you can't explain everything, right? And you wait for Midjourney to kind of come up with something. Or you draw or you find some reference image and then you use it as a reference. I mean, this one is tricky because that's where everyone is complaining that like you stole his style or whatever. Which makes sense. And the thing is, like for example, I don't have my style yet, right? Because I just started drawing and it'll take me years, and I compete with people that draw like since they were 2. And this is not a fair comparison. Not fair comparison. I mean, I just recently participated in the manga competition, like in February, in silent manga competition. Basically, they give you a theme. The theme was overtaken by rage, and you need to make a 15-page manga without words, and that's why silent manga. And so anyone can participate international. And I just got the results. I didn't win. I think I will make my next stream about about what I created and about those who were in the competition. Yeah, I think that's what I will do. And one second. And let me record that like next stream will be about next stream. I need to stream. Yeah, next. I am really not good about preparing ideas for stream. I just like kind of roll with it unprepared. I think I should do a better job about it. So review my silent manga and review the winners. Yeah, so when I was reviewing it, it was so obvious that I need to learn how to draw, practice more drawing. But like that's the thing though. Like I mean, I'm good at storytelling, and one might say like find a partner who will be drawing for you. I kind of don't wanna because it's like I just don't wanna. I want to do it alone. And I have the basic understanding of drawing, but like the practice, it's just it's not my strength to do like the details and this type of stuff. I'm good at like structure, like logic and scenes and story, but about texture, like I can say like I can create like a chain of scenes and like like stories, and I feel I can do it well, but I can't say like like for example, if the story is like he's like he goes from A to B, he does this. I can't say he is in this like car that is like the spring breeze, the spring wind like waving his hair while the smell of early spring in the air, like I can't do that. I even can't talk about it, like let alone write about it. So it's just it's not my strengths. This literally like talent of bringing you to this kind of imaginary place, like to I I'm not good at it, but like I'm good at pacing. I think I'm good at like just like like action and movement, and make you kind of, I guess, use your imagination and to imagine what is there, how it looks. I guess that's why when you do when these are your sets, this is your like kind of, this is your skill set, and this is your conditions. It might be not ideal for visual storytelling. So because for visual storytelling you obviously have to be visual, and you have to be, maybe just about practice. Maybe I just need to do practice. Most likely yes, maybe I just need to practice more. And what is this? Yeah, this is, I was, it's like older version of Midjourney. I was imagining like for one of my stories the spaceship like running out of around the orbit. But the thing is, it's like I tried a little, but then I realized how much work it is just to do it with words. I literally like played with Midjourney, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna learn how to draw. Literally, like, because it was so hard to get anything done like with words. It just, I don't know, it was just so far from what I was requesting. And I realized that you have to have knowledge of like, I want this, I want that, this type of shot, this angle, this color, this lighting. And it's, you can't just like roll like the people say, no, AI can do everything. Yeah, but you need to tell for like still details, like what exactly you want. And as more experienced you are in this domain, as better you can give the, like, as better instruction you can provide. So yeah, and since since I learned the basics of drawing, I'm better at explaining stuff. But still, and I mean, Midjourney for me is just so overwhelming. The interface, maybe I'm just not used to it. I don't know. I mean, this one is so simple, and image effects by Google as well. It's so simple. It's all so simple. The graphic user interface is extremely important. It has to be simple. Let's, while I'm talking, let's do here. Let's just copy this. I attached, God. Let's find some theme that we like. So yeah, and that's why I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna use references in this way, and I'm gonna use AI to find my style. I mean, that's literally why people buy reference books, and like they learn, they go to art school to study other artists' work. And I mean, some don't. I mean, of course it's a lot about practice, and I'm sure like some might say that like no, you have to practice, you're cutting corners or you're cheating. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's about I'm not drawing. My goal is not to be a painter. My goal is to tell my story with visuals, and whatever helps me to do it, I will use. So yeah, it's. I think it's fair to use that. My position is that it's anything goes. Whatever helps, it works, in my opinion. And what is this? Stay inspired. Where's my page? Sci-fi art. All right. Everything is lagging. Is this because I'm streaming? Okay. Let's see. All right. All right. I like. This is some terraforming. I mean, it's more about style, right? I want something. I don't want something too futuristic, like Star Wars. Star Wars is too far in the future for me. Nothing works. That is annoying. Why? It's not working. One second, let me. All right. Yeah, it's like I have a story, but I can't decide what time. It's like this. I don't know the details, but I know what I don't want. Does it make sense? And to know what I don't want, I need to see what is there. And I think it's okay. We built everything on shoulders of others. I mean, I studied engineering and I had my own tech startup. So when I built my product, I built it based on things that other people built. So I don't. And what was unique about it, it was the end result. The end result was unique, but it was combination of products of others. So I see it the same way. I don't care. No, too alien, too far. This one is really cool, not gonna lie, but like it's kind of too far in the future. This is too stylish, too stylistic. I'm not into style. I'm into more like utilitarian type of stuff. I like this one. I mean, with certain taste. This one is great. Yeah, I like this one. Let's see. Let's upload that image here. Can we? No, we cannot. 35mm minimal sketchy abstract handmade. Hey, I want to. So you can in Google's image VFX you can't do that. You can. That's annoying. How about that whisk enter tool? Nami. That's my dog. All right. Subject. Style. That's actually really cool. Like that. Like they have. You can add like 3 different images for subject, scene. Scene, actually, I think I can use this one from the ones that Midjourney generated. This one. I like this one. Alright, sorry, my neighbor is doing something. Hopefully not for long. Alright, that's annoying. Alright. It doesn't want to download the image. Then I'm sorry, but I'm gonna use. Let's see now. I'm curious what will happen. But I really don't like Midjourney interface. I didn't like the Discord, and I still struggle with like. I'm sure it's my laziness, and if I played around, it will kind of work. But this is better than. I mean, I guess I need to play with it. I guess I need to play with it. I can't wait for this one. Let's see what it will do. What is that? This is so bad. Yeah, that's horrible. I mean, the angle of the shot is good though. The only problem is why here. Best quality. It says best quality. Can you make it in style that I provided. Let's see what will happen. What is that? A classic science fiction aesthetic reminiscent of painted book covers of the 90s, 80s, rendered in traditional painting, possibly acrylic or oil, with smooth blending and sharp detailing. The color palette features cool deep blues and grays, contrasted with striking warm fiery reds and muted soft earthy oranges, dramatic and atmospheric lighting with strong backlighting and the noticeable, that's what I was talking about, glow creates silhouettes and highlights texture with soft ethereal mist of haze at ground level. A grainy texture consistent with aged print media is present through. The scene depicts a futuristic city at dusk or night, with a dominant colossal structure in the background. I mean, imagine explaining that. God, it's crazy. That's why image generation is a bit, for me at least, I mean, it's, what is that? Yeah. I don't know, man. How about this? Let's ask our buddy ChatGPT to do this. Because I'm honestly, I mean, it's exhausting. It's so, for me at least, this image generation and the weight and everything is more exhausting than, like, it's feel like it's easier to sit down and write it. Like, real talk. Yeah. One of the struggles that I'm having now, because this identity move from being a tech entrepreneur to becoming like a visual storyteller is quite a leap. And I'm having trouble with not motivation, but like, what do I do? I'm so used to when tasks are so clear and, like, you know, you do that, you do that, you do that, you do this, because it's like technical. You have like a goal, you need to finish the product, you need to sell the product. Here it's, when you do art and storytelling, everything is a bit more wishy-washy. And not only that, it's also not wishy-washy, but like, it's more unknown, and plus what you do, you are not sure that like this thing that you do is actually like worth anything. Because when you do tech products and when you do like tech startups, you know that like at the worst that can happen with you, you will get a job in tech. That's probably the worst that can happen to you, because like your startup goes bust and you just, I don't know, you have this experience and it will be used. While here it's a little bit different. I mean, artist's way is a bit different. Look at this. Look at this. This is actually best of, I mean, it imitates, but it does a great job. I mean, it's so grainy. Whatever. It's good. It's better than like this. What the hell is this? Oh, I see. I guess it's from this. Okay. Now I understand. Anyways, and doing this type of stuff is not, how to say, it's not easy. Yeah, this image is yeah. And so when you basically not that I don't know what to do, but it's more like it's more like how to do and what to do. It's very, it's harder to start, but I will. That's why I'm streaming. That's why I'm doing this streaming. I'm doing them for myself, to be honest, to just keep doing it. And it's like, it's my stream number 10. It's a big achievement that I'm doing. I did 10 weeks of streaming. I mean, my numbers are like zero, like not non-existent. I don't do anything else. I just stream. But I need to, yeah, I need to get back to, I need to get on, like, I need to get to like in a flow of writing. First of all, writing, and then like once I have the story in my hand, then I'll find a way to visualize it, and then I'll find a way to do the next steps. It's like, it's honestly I'm not even worried about skills and stories, because I have them. I have those stories. I have them in my head. It's more about the switch. It's more about identity switch. It's like how to accept this new identity fully and just like, embrace it, because I still like, I'm like doing, and I'm like tech startups, tech AI, and it's like annoying, because I'm glitching. I have two operations. I have like old operative system that like I can't get rid of, because I kind of want some part of it, but I can't fully embrace and develop new one, and so I'm like stuck. And also this new one is like it's like, it's a baby steps. So yeah, that's why people, I think, don't change their professions. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I have this crazy allergy. I'm gonna do it, and yeah, I'm gonna do it. Let's see. No, this one is good. This one is good. This one is actually good. Midjourney did a good job here. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. It's it's all it all makes sense. One segundo. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah. It's okay. Anyways, that was the stream. Thank you if anyone watched, if anyone will ever watch, but like the struggle continues and I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Okay, see you guys, and yeah, till the next video. Bye bye. Peace.